If we don't know where the line is with establishment of religion, I'm just curious, how have the courts handled cases involving public prayer?
The question of public prayer is one that the court just looked at a couple years ago in a case called City of Greece versus Galloway. The question was how you could open a public session. I think it was a public city council meeting. Who could you have talk? And the fascinating question, a fascinating issue was it seemed as though almost all the folks who spoke were Christian. And as a consequence, it seemed as though some folks might argue, well, surely that's an establishment if the court is, or if the city council is allowing essentially only Christians to speak, although there were a couple of non-Christians involved. And the court's position was, the Supreme Court's position was, well, it's okay. In those circumstances, given the tradition that we've had of allowing public prayer to start meetings, given that the particular message is being provided by individual pastors and is not being provided by the state, in that circumstance, it was okay to allow a practice that looked as though it was suggesting that Christian prayers would start meetings, as long as folks weren't barred, as long as non-Christians weren't barred from giving prayers. The fact that you had overtly Christian prayers to start meetings was not deemed to be a problem. It is fascinating that we are still dealing with this issue and almost certainly will continue dealing with this issue as we move forward.